to do a plank, we're going to be down on our forearms. One of the things I see a lot of people doing is they're clasping their hands together. I don't want that because that creates this inward rotation of the shoulders, and we're not going for that. We want to open you up because most people are too rounded anyway. So we're having so that your wrist, elbow, and shoulders are in line. We're going to squeeze our shoulder blades back and down so that we're not, protracting through there. We want to make sure we draw in our abs, so we're going to suck in our abs and tighten up our butt. Boop. And then we're going to come up and hold. So my arms at 90 degrees. Again, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades back and down. My abs and butt are tight. And the other thing you want to make sure is that you're not up too high, but most importantly, you're not arching through and sagging through the hips. So keep your abs and your butt nice and tight. Everything's clenched. If this is too hard, we can come down to the knees and do it this way. And again, making sure that I'm not like this. That defeats the purpose here. I'm not like that because my hips aren't on the floor, but abs and butt are tight, and then I'm coming up and just holding. That's how we get a plank.